Want this one?
She can't pick her own grass.
You want this one?
She's got full.
Like a little cow.
5 blades of grass. That's
Like a
she's
little
got full.
cow. Hold my shirt down. What are they doing?
Hi, honey. And she's like, "What are you doing on that side of the fence?"
Sorry. Come here. Come here. Come here. I get you. Okay, first. Because you're recording.
Yeah, of course.
Brat. She's like, I'm not supposed to be walking on camera.
Hi. Hello. I don't even know what I'm videotaping now. Yeah.
Paparazzi, gosh.
Rue. Come on. Come on, pretty girl. Hi. Hi. Oh,
Oh, I'm sorry. So scary. Let me get you. 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 Let me get you.
wait. Wait. Get still. Run, run. Run. Boop. I have no idea what I've been taping, what I've not been taping this time.
Nikki.
It's kind of like a Nikki Jackie thing.
Nikki.
Tractor coming. There's a tractor coming. It's okay. It's okay.
What do you think of that?
Good girl.
What do you think of that?
You want this? Oh, yes. All right. I gotta go. I gotta go.